This brand is from Carrier and is made in Mexico. The brand is only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada, and the units only use a wire mesh protection for the condenser coil, which doesn't do much as far as protecting the coil. The guarantee on the brand is not as good as some of the other brands. The Performance Series N4A7T model is a basic air conditioner that is relatively noisy with a sound rating of 73 decibels. They have a higher SEER rating, 16, than many brands in the basic category. The Performance Series N4A7T models are premium units but only have a 17 SEER cooling efficiency. The HVA9 is their offering in the ultimate category, as the units have 5 stages of compressor operation as well as a variable speed fan for quiet and efficient operation. They are about as quiet as a typical household refrigerator and feature SmartSense technology, which allows the system to adapt to changing weather conditions. They have the ability to communicate with the rest of the home's HVAC system through their Ion System control to maximize comfort and efficiency. The units are backed by a pretty good guarantee that includes unit replacement in the event of compressor failure within 10 years of installation. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.